1. A problem is not your enemy, it's a teacher in disguise. 2. The problem isn't too big, don't let yourself be too small. 3. Sometimes silence reveals the way your heart wants to go. 4. Don't run from problems, they run faster than you. 5. The exit doesn't have to be pretty, it just needs to work. 6. Every darkness hides a door, keep searching. 7. Problems slow you down so you can finally notice what matters. 8. If you want a new result, start with a new thought. 9. Fear doesn't solve problems, it only freezes you. 10. There are no dead ends, only people who stop looking. 11. Some answers live in silence, not noise. 12. Accepting the problem is the first step to solving it. 13. Don't ask, why me? Ask, what now? 14. Changing places won't help if you don't change your mindset. 15. The problem will lose when you refuse to give up. 16. Confusion is an invitation to rediscover yourself. 17. If the door closes, stop banging, find a window. 18. Problems shape us into someone stronger. 19. Don't know what to do, start with not giving up. 20. Standing still isn't failure, it's recharging. 21. Think less, feel less, do more. 22. Pressure won't break you, it builds you. 23. A problem may change your path, not your purpose. 24. If you fear falling, it means you're still moving. 25. Everyone faces problems, not everyone beats them. 26. Answers come when the heart is quiet. 27. Solve not to finish but to grow. 28. Not every problem needs action, some need time. 29. If you can't find the exit, maybe you entered the wrong way. 30. Don't fix everything today, just don't give up today. 31. Fear magnifies the problem. 32. Be brave when no one sees. 33. Don't wait to feel ready, start, and readiness will follow. 34. Pain isn't forever, but endurance stays with you. 35. Falling means you're still trying. 36. No plan works if you don't move. 37. Some problems are solved by letting go, not fixing. 38. Walking away can be a victory too. 39. The darker it gets, the sharper your vision becomes. 40. Don't change the path, just wear better shoes. 41. You don't need to know it, all just act on what you know. 42. Use the problem as fuel, not an excuse. 43. No exit found. The story isn't over yet. 44. The one who wins is the one who believes they can. 45. After every problem, you'll see how strong you really are. 46. Some problems don't need answers, just awareness. 47. Don't wish for eyes, train for strength. 48. Be a student of your problem, not a victim. 49. You don't have to fix everything, just start somewhere. 50. No problem is stronger than your will to rise.